Wipe that off there. Yeah. Waiting for the inevitable. Oh my gosh, you didn't let it drain for 4 hours and get every last bit of grit. Have you ever heard of a dang oil filter, man? That's good enough. Let's tighten her up. Quick wipe. Now let's torque this with the torque wrench to exactly 20.9487 foot-pounds here. Look at this. Super good torque wrench. It's going to be torqued to click. That's exactly 20.9587 foot-pounds. Now let's deal with this oil filter. Put the drain pan under the little funnel. Check out this. The only thing the GM actually engineered worth of crap on this truck is they made a little funnel. What? Oil change.
Oh, okay.
It's been 8 months and 4,000 miles.
Did you have stuff for the power washer?
Yeah, I haven't put it in there yet. Oh. As we spill it everywhere. Once pre-lubricate the new filter the easy way. It's all looped up. Shove this back in this box. And it's like spilled everywhere. Let's go. Per normal. As we cross that refill. Come back home. If it was ever nasty, bitch. Oh man. I should work out more. What the frick? It worked better when you tighten it, you idiot. Okay, we are 2/3 of the way tight. Okay, quarter turn to go. And I probably... Okay, let's go. Time to clean up. Oh my gosh. Woo! We need to make sure I wipe this good, so in case so after a few miles I can inspect and make sure if we have an oil leak, I know it's leaking from the filter. It's kind of hard because my power steering leaks like a dang sieve. Sometimes. It randomly leaks and it randomly doesn't. This truck is quirky. Okay, here's new oil. I usually use conventional oil, but I accidentally bought synthetic by accident because dyslexia. So I'm just using that because I bought this like 6 months ago and it's realized, so I can't return it. Make sure we spill the oil everywhere. This truck's easy because it just takes 5 quarts. It's none of this 6.25, 8, 9 quart nonsense like these new imported European cars. And blub, 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 blub. And watch me put this like slightly thinner synthetic oil in here and then it burns like all of it in a week. That would be a problem. This goes wrong every time. The universe was for me today. I didn't spill any oil for once. That's a dang miracle. Now that we're in the truck, turn the key on, find where the oil light is. So this might stay on just for a split second while the pump reprimes. Well, it stays on longer than a few seconds, we know we have a problem. So let's make sure she's in neutral. Start her up. And you heard a bit of oil pressure there. The oil pressure light's not on. I wish this truck actually had an actual oil pressure gauge, but you know, those are overrated apparently. Let her idle down here and everything looks fine. So the final thing we'll do is write down our mileage here. Okay, so now that we're in my phone here, we can see I have a Google Sheets here. So let's see, we'll go here and I'll just put, come on, oil and oil/filter. I put today's date, which is 3-6-22. I'll write down the mileage, 189.27. Something seems off. Hold on. Oh, 827. And what I like about the Google Sheets, I can view it on my computer too, so it kind of syncs. And it looks like I changed the oil about 3,000 miles ago, so that's good. I try to change it about every 3,000 since this engine's starting to get a little old. And since I don't do a lot of city driving, it comes out pretty black. Looks like somebody made a dumb decision. Pro tip, put your oil cap on. Unless you want your hood to look like this under here. Whoopsie. While we have the engine running, you can listen to my high quality exhaust leak